Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make my very favorite flank steak marinade. Flank steak is one of those steaks that can benefit from a nice marinade, where a lot of steaks you really only need a bit of salt and pepper and maybe a whiff of garlic. But flank steak can be a little bit tough sometimes, and the marinade not only builds a lot of flavor, but it definitely helps to tenderize the meat quite a bit. So this is the marinade that I've been using for many years, and it's definitely the best flank steak that we greatly love. So let me show you how to make it. All right, flank steak marinade, my friends. Get yourself a good sized bowl set up and all of your ingredients. And we do have a lot of ingredients, but it's gonna add awesome flavor. So here I have a half a cup of soy sauce and a quarter cup of olive oil, along with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I love this stuff. Got a tablespoon of honey. You have to scoop that out of there. And a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard. You can use Dijon for this as well. Really use your favorite mustard. I love a good spicy brown. And here I have some minced garlic, and really you can use as much as you want. My recipe calls for 4 cloves, but I kind of tend to double that. And a tablespoon of hot sauce, and you can use your favorite hot sauce. This is my homemade habanero hot sauce that I'm almost out of. Need another batch. And a teaspoon of cayenne, which is nice and spicy, so you can omit this if you want to, or add a bit more. Along with a teaspoon of paprika. And a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Again, that's optional. It's really like how much you want to spice it up. And 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And a half teaspoon of freshly ground cumin. And salt and pepper to taste. It's always salt and pepper to your personal taste. And next we're gonna go ahead and whisk this all together. Make our tasty marinade. This stuff is huge, huge on flavor. All right, I got my flank steak here, and I'm using a dish to marinate today, but you can use a baggie if you'd like. This is about a little over 2 pound flank steak, and you can pretty much use any size flank steak for this. So go ahead and pour your marinade in. Oh, look at that. And I'm gonna go ahead and massage this in, so let me take my ring off. Oh, we're not married, Patty. Trouble. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm gonna get this nicely massaged into the steak a bit. Let me get that delicious flavor. Oh, it smells good. So as mentioned, you can definitely use a baggie, and I often use a baggie for doing this, so you can really massage the marinade into the steak that way. But it's easier for you to see in the pan. But this is a great way to do it as well. So other ingredients you might want to include would be minced or chopped shallot or onion, or even fresh chilies if you want to add a little extra oomph to it. So for marinating time, you want to marinate at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. Better yet, 3 to 4 hours is really great to get tenderizing and flavor penetration. But I actually love to do it either overnight, or I'll get this going in the morning so that when I'm ready to cook at night, I'll have a good long marinade on it, lots of flavor. Then I'm ready to just throw the steak on the grill and boom, go to town. Love it. All right, let's cover and marinate in the fridge. All right, marinating time is done. Let's get grilling. Toss your marinated flank steak right on the grill. You only need about 3 to 5 minutes or so per side, depending on the thickness. I like to cook mine to an internal temp of 120. Take it off and let it come up to temp for a nice 125 medium rare. Then we're gonna take it off, let it rest, and slice it up. All right, gonna slice it up against the grain, my friends. Look at that. Juicy, yum. All right, let's give it a taste. Seriously, the marinade makes such a huge difference. Flank steak marinade, my friends, always makes the absolute best grilled flank steak. Hey, I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and I definitely want to hear what you think in the comments below. And I'd love to, hope to see you in the kitchen next time. And if you're really in the mood for some more amazing spicy recipes, I hope you'll check out these, amazing recipes that just popped up right there. So, all right, let's get cooking, my friends. See you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.